I will. So the garri is hot. Peanuts now. The groundnut is ready. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to fry groundnut. Peanuts, groundnut, we call it groundnut. I know you call it peanuts. So this is my raw groundnut. This is my raw groundnut. I have selected stones from it. So now I will wash it. Add water and wash it. So guys, I'm done washing. This is salt. I'll add salt. Add salt and mix it. I will transfer it to my tray. Then spread it and then leave it in the sun to dry. And please subscribe, like and share. So guys, I have soaked my groundnut in water and I dry it. So I added salt and dry it. So now this is Garri. Hi, Garri. So now I will fry the Garri first. Ew. So I will allow the Garri to fry a little to get hot before. No, leave. This is fire. Leave. Go and give Mommy Mary is calling you. Go and give Mommy Mary friend. I will allow the Garri to get hot before I add the groundnut. So the Garri is hot. Now I will add the groundnut. I'll add the peanuts now. And then I'll stir it. I'll stir it until the groundnut is done. Groundnut is almost done. It's almost ready. Let's test and see if it is okay to. It's hard. It has turned golden brown. See, it's ready. Look at this. Look at this. It's brown. The groundnut is ready. So I'll sieve the garri out. So guys, the groundnut is ready. So I will allow to cool down. I will allow to cool down before I peel it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye. Mwah.